First of all, I just wanna thank Chris underscore fishing 670 for watching our videos. He's asking if I could make a video on what lure I'm using for catching emperor fish and lure for catching big fish like GT. Okay, shout out to you, Chris. So I'm only using this kind of lure for emperor fish, a 5-gram lure like this one. See, it's an orange head, 5 grams there, and I match this with a ultralight rod. One, so it's an orange head lure, and the other one is the red head. See, and this one there. I only use these lures to catch emperor fish and even poultry bali, right? And then this kind of lure too. See? This one. And for GT also, I use this one. This kind of lure. See? And this one. It's a floating lure. See? I also use stick bait, but I don't have here. So yeah, so only this one I use. Right. Ooh.